Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to report an account in X. Ensuring a safe and positive environment is important, and X provides a way to report accounts that violate community guidelines. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of reporting an account in X. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Next, find the account you want to report. This can be done by searching for the username or scrolling through your feed. Once you've located the account, tap on it to access their profile. Step 3. On the account's profile, look for the 3 dots menu, typically positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the 3 dots menu to reveal additional options. Step 4. Among the options that appear, find and tap on Block. This action will prompt a dialog box to appear. Step 5. In the dialog box, tap on Report to indicate that you want to report the account. A new screen will appear, asking you to select the reason for the report. Step 6. Select the appropriate reason from the available options. X provides a range of reporting options to address different types of violations. And there you have it. You have successfully reported an account in X, contributing to a safer and more positive community. Thank you for watching, and let's work together to create a welcoming and respectful environment in X.